The ATC Tower was one of the most important projects for Pininfarina, I believe. We took the inspiration from the tulip, one of the very important symbols for the Turkish culture for many, many centuries. So we try to translate it into the architectural language.
So there is again the value of beauty. First of all, because it became a symbol for the city, and so it was adopted in a way from the community. If you go in Istanbul, you see the design of the ATC Tower in many points in the city, even on the skyline, on the mags that you find in touristic stores. Second, it was almost fully produced through off-site construction technologies and techniques. So apart from the central mast in concrete, all the components were produced off-site and quickly assembled on-site. The main reason why we went through this methodology is because our construction site was within a larger construction site. There was the construction site of the Istanbul airport, which is currently the biggest in Europe. And so, like time-wise, we had to be very sharp. Off-site construction and prefabrication components were the only way to really stick to the timeline that we were given for the construction.
Of course, the ATC Tower was initially conceived as a symbol, but you can definitely read the connection with our automotive legacy. And you can really see the dynamism and the lines that somehow are coming from the wind. This is something that allowed us to create this new landmark for Istanbul and for the Istanbul airport. My name is Alexandra Krivalapova.
My name is Giovanni de Niederhäuser and I lead a team of architects in Pininfarina, and this is the Architect Series.